In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sweet, hot, and tangy barbecue chicken sliders.
Crazy melty cheese.
Start with 1/3 cup of Ken's Steakhouse Italian dressing marinade. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt at your discretion. Add 3 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce. Black pepper to taste. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of adobo. 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Cayenne pepper to taste. Quarter teaspoon of dried oregano. Two tablespoons of lime juice. Give it a good stir. Add no more than 2 tablespoons of Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Give it a good mix. Trim your thin sliced chicken breasts, then cut them in half. Pound the chicken until it's thin. The reason I do this is the barbecue sauce will burn before the chicken is cooked. Marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Grate some Colby Jack cheese. Don't forget to include your brothos. Preheat your grill to 350 degrees. Medium heat will do. Don't forget to grab your umbrella because it's pouring out.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. This chicken's almost cooked. Oh yeah. I'm gonna leave that in the video.
Yeah, I know you are.
When the chicken is grilled halfway through, flip the pieces over, apply a generous amount of Sweet Baby Ray's.
My hands are burning.
I'm like, I know, it's hot.
When the chicken is cooked, flip it over and place it on the upper rack or turn your grill down to low. Reapply the Sweet Baby Ray's using a clean, new brush. Cook it for 1.5 minutes until the sauce sets. Add your cheese. Cook until melted.
That smells good. Look at all that melty cheese. Crazy melty cheese. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Thinly sliced red onion. Cut your fresh baked rolls in half. Link for the rolls is below. We added spring mixed lettuce, onions, and dill pickles. That's all they need.
Don't skimp on pickles on lime.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Most of all, don't forget to feed the Brofus.
Give me 5.